Yo, what's up? It's your boy DJ D, baby.
Let's start locally. Let's get people to call in our station and be like, yo, I want to request a new Ali Bo because KMEL, we got to work our way to KMEL or 949. So we already connected with them too. So, you know what I mean? We go there every semester. So, you know what I mean? We go there and we drop off shit if they feeling it, then we put them on. You know what I mean? So.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy DJ D. We in the studio, baby. That's right, 89.9 FM. We got my man Ali Bo is in the building. The super producer, baby. Gift over there in the corner. Don't try to hide, baby. Producing hot hits, baby, all day long. We got Bobby in the place. What's up, baby? You know what I mean? And of course, we got the next level over here.
Tune in. Follow me on Twitter. I am the next level. TheNextLevelTV.com. You can see all the interviews. Reunited with my dude Ali Bo from some of the people from Hayward, man, talking about this dude to holla at. So, hey, man, check him out. New single coming, man. We okay cracking right here in Hayward, man.
Word up. That's right. That's right. Your boy DJ D live in the studio, baby. We doing it real big down here in Hayward. That's right. Tune in. 89.9 FM. Quit playing, baby.